So, good afternoon, everyone. My work is this. So, I chose cheer dance as the sport, and this is basically for flyers. And so, this is the key stage 1. This is kinder to grade 3. So, we have focus movements and sport skills. So, the first one is stretching exercises. So, stretching exercises is really important as this stage because nagde-develop pa lang yung kanilang skills, so nagde-develop pa rin din yung ng mga movements ng mga bata as their age. I think their age are 5 years old to 9 years old. So, yan, stretching exercise is important for them to move properly and hindi mabigla yung katawan nila. This is good for them to start warm-ups in a good start. So, the second one is running. So, this is good for them to have a warm-up running. So, the third is jumping jacks. Next is jogging, and we have handstand position and position of hand in stance, proper landing, proper catch, basic arm motion, basic jump. Okay, so in handstand, so yung kids, importante na magkaroon na rin sila ng proper handstand and para ma-practice din or ma-train na din yung kanilang core. And sa position of hands in stand, so matuturo na natin dito yung proper way of position or paano maghawak ng mga stance. But hindi pa nila talaga totally gagawin. So, 7, we have proper landing. Proper landing in tumbling. So, tuturo lang yung proper landing or position after the skill but not doing the skill yet. And next is the proper catch. Proper catch ng pagsalo or proper catch ng paglanding mo after the stance. So, basic arm motion, these are the basic arm motion. Talagang pagbata, pwede na nitang matutunan ko because this is just basic and sa kamay lang din. So, basic jumps, they learn basic jumps. Ito yung mga star jump lang, stage jumps, ayan, madali lang nila matututunan. And meron tayong focus fitness components here as flexibility, strength, core, balance, and lines. Lines for basic arm motion. Okay, let's move on to the key stage 2, and the key stage 2 is from grade 4 to grade 6. So here is the understanding of stretching exercises and basic arm motion. So in stretching exercises, we have neck stretches. So it is important to stretch our neck for us to avoid injuries, of course, especially for flyers na hinahagis sa mga stands. Next, arm circles for us to do the skill like heel stretch. And next one is side stretch. Okay, so side stretch na para ma-stretch yung mga side natin. Mas madaling gumalaw, mas madaling gumawa ng mga skills. Body rotation, and we have standing quad stretch, tricep stretch, and lunging hip flexor scratch, knee to chest, piriformis stretch, and split stretch. Okay, so stretching, what I've said, is really important for them to really do the skill properly and execute the skill properly. So we have here basic arm motion. So we have low V, high V, claps, half T, T motion, and daggers. I know, meron pa tayong punch, L motion, and cheer stance. So here, This is important, the basic arm motion, para alam nila yung gagawin nila sa spun. So, basically, ang ginagamit mostly ng mga flyer is the high V. So, this is the high V. Okay, so high V. So, after mag-toss the hand, nag-high V, heel stretch, naka-high V, and all. So, sa ganitong edad, okay, develop nila yung, at nalalaman nila yung mga proper or different stretching exercises. So, dito, mas malalaman nila kung ano yung, for example, sa next stretch, ano ba yung na-stretch, of course, yung neck, of course, malalaman nila kung ano yung importance ng mga stretching exercises na to for the skills na gagawa nila. So, that's it for the key stage 2, and the focus fitness component for this is agility. Okay, we have balance, coordination, and hand, body, muscular endurance,